Hello and welcome back to Diecast Graveyard. It's time for another build-off. Now, the build-off is a race car build-off. And that means that you can do pretty much any race car. The rules are incredibly simple. Any 1/64th casting. Number 2, any class of race car, and I'll go over that in a second. Your videos must be posted by 30 May 2021 at 6 a.m. Details in this build-off, folks, are the key. You must paint the car. No existing paint jobs will be accepted. So, for example, you can do a NASCAR type car, modern or vintage. A NASCAR truck. You can do a truck. You can do a dirt modified. These cars are really cool. Any type of dirt car, you can do that, be it a sprint car or whatever. A Formula One car or an Indy car, you can do that. A vintage Indy car. Man, that'd be wild if people do that. A real vintage Indy car. Nice. Formula One, modern or vintage. This is going to be fun. Really vintage. You can do an asphalt modified. Former champion Richie Evans. Former champion Maynard Troyer. These are vintage cars. Super modified driver Jack Patrick. Super modified legend Jimmy Shampine. And the late great Nolan Swift. Folks, let's have some fun with this build-off. Please post below your intention to compete in the competition. And again, post your videos by 30 May. Let's have a great time with this build-off. Leave a comment, and if you have any questions, again, leave them in the comments. My name is Paul with Diecast Graveyard. Let's have fun and cheers.